Watch your fucking off, yeah?
Well, guys, it's not every day that you score the winner in a Welsh Cup tie against Bangor. How does that feel?
It hasn't really sunk in at this moment in time, to be honest with you. It's the stuff like you think about. You never think as a defender that it's going to happen, but you know, I just thought I'd stay up. I hovered around when I should have. Usually I'd run straight back, but I hovered around in the area, hoping the ball would get recycled and come back in. I worried when I seen Crowther put it on his left foot, but he whipped an absolute peach, and I just thought if I can get something on it, who knows? And the ball, I can't really say that I thought there wasn't too much thinking going into it. It was just get my head on it, and then seeing it nestle in the back of the net, and still can't believe it.
To be honest with you, I was worried that you'd tweaked something with the celebration, guys. I thought you might have tweaked something with the celebration.
Yeah.
Have you?
Well, you know, Paul, when you're as flexible as me at 35, then you know you can do those types of things. I was going to do an overhead bicycle cartwheel, but no. Listen, it's important that we won. Really important that we won today, and that's for all the supporters that came out in the force. They, you know. Everybody had been talking about this game for a long period of time, so it was nice to just get out there and get playing, and they stood there in the rain for 2 hours there, and that was for them.
And you know, and you just mentioned that you're 35 now. You played a few big games in your time. Was that must rank amongst one of the biggest?
Right up there, yeah. That surpasses anything really. To have that many supporters, and when you hear the ball go in from Breezy's, you know, you hear their side go quiet, and then you hear the roar from our side. It's something else. It's something that you kind of dream of, and yeah, I thought those days were behind me, but it's you know, it's just nice. It's nice to you know, this is the second time we've come here, the second time we've won, and it's you know, it's age is just a number, Paul.
Yeah, and it's job done on the pitch, but I hear that you might be going to the Crown tonight.
Apparently so. Apparently they're playing a rerun of the game, so we're just going to enjoy it. These games don't come around often, so it's about, you know, staying out and milking it for all it's worth. I better tell the wife I'm not coming home.
Yeah, okay. Well done tonight, guys.
You.
Brilliant. Good performance, and yeah, nice to have a word with the match winner in Bangor for a change.
Yeah,
thank you.
It. Take care. Yeah. See you now. Bye bye.
Well, Sean, we're through to the quarter-finals of the Welsh Cup. How happy are you with that victory over Bangor tonight?
I made up. I made up with the effort the boys put in. I thought they were brilliant. Bangor is stiff test, and I knew they would be. I've been to see them the last couple of weeks, and you know, despite all their troubles off the field, you know, we're going to give us a game tonight, absolutely. But to see the sea of yellow and green behind the goal was outstanding. It was different class. You know, myself and Fish went out to start the game, which we usually do anyway. But yeah, I mean, once we went out there, it was just a sea of the Cofi Army, like, basically. And yeah, it's unbelievable. It's something that will stick with me because I think I finally realise now how much it meant to the supporters. But like you said, Paul, at the start of the question, we're through to the quarterfinals now, the Welsh Cup, and that was the target. And you know, it's going to be a difficult tie. You know, any day of the week it would have been a difficult tie. Full credit to the ground staff, everyone that was here to get the game on, and the pitch I felt played really, really well. But yeah, absolutely ecstatic, and yeah, a few celebratory beers I think are in order tonight.
Yeah, talk us through that first goal that Breezy put away, Sean.
He's shown great composure. He's got in between the two centre halves. You know, in front of a very vocal Bangor contingent as well, and it's a great finish. You know, he's just waiting for the keeper to go to the deck, and he's just lifted it over him. And it settled us, really, to be fair. We got in at half time and we were disappointed that we conceded because there was only 30 seconds left in all time. Phillips, there right back, has put a good corner in, and I think Robbie Parry has just got across the near post and caused a bit of confusion. But obviously the big man then, you know, Gaz Edds comes up with the goods, you know, great ball in from Crowes, and I made that for Gaz, to be fair, because he's been at the club now a number of years, and I think he bleeds yellow and green like a little bit, to be fair to the lad. But yeah, just made that for the team as a whole. That's a fine, by the way, because we are live. It's the wife. It's the wife, sorry. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Can't believe that's happened. And yeah, I'm just absolutely made that we got the win in the end.
Okay. And you mentioned Gareth there. What was your initial thought when you saw him still in the box?
To be fair, Mike's in the room. Like we were like, what's he doing still up? What's he doing still up? But in fairness, he's just stayed up like for the second phase, and Krause has shifted it onto his left foot and put a delightful ball in. And Gareth being sort of 7 foot tall anyway, he's just stuck his neck out, to be fair. And great feeling, fantastic feeling to see the celebrations. And we just managed to hold out, to be fair. We managed the game really well after that. And yeah, just made it to be through to the next round. And
I understand all the boys, all the squad, the management team are going down to Nghwpan tonight?
We are, yeah, we are. Thanks to Nick Bowl for volunteering and for driving. The missus has just rung me, so I don't think she knows yet. So Lisa, if this is going out, I'll be in the Crown a little bit later on. But Fish informed me that the landlord behind there was going to show the whole game again. But I think obviously if we won the game, which we did. But no, I'm going to enjoy it because it's been a fantastic first phase, and then the game after that was obviously the Welsh Cup game. So I've just said to Fish there, I'm going to be loving it when I see the first team players talking about the supporters that have followed us all over Wales. And yeah, I'm definitely going to enjoy a beer or two with them tonight, without a shadow of a doubt.
I'm not going to keep you long, so just a couple more questions. Home draw next round, hopefully, yes?
Yeah, it'd be brilliant because over the last couple of years, you know, we had Barry Town last year at home, and we had TNS at home. You know, 2 tough games, but we've done really well. But to be at home in the next round would be fantastic. You know, a Friday night game even, or a Saturday night game, that'd be brilliant. I'm not too sure of the results today. I think I know TNS. I went to watch Landed No Sorry earlier, and I know they've got through. But yeah, home draw would be fantastic. Somewhere in the north, preferably as well. But no, if we're away, listen, we've got good results all season round. So a home draw would be nice, but yeah, we'll take anyone. We'll take anyone.
An Olaf, just I'll ask one question before the last one. I hear that even Ethan's going out for a beer with you tonight.
I'll believe it when I see it. Fish is just that shot here, and yeah, I believe it when I see it. But you want picture evidence, don't you?
I think I might have to come along with you to.
That's all right. That's fine. So even if it's a water or a J2O, I need to take a picture of that one, I think. But no, like if Nathan's a side that doesn't fancy a bit after the game, that's all well and good. If he keeps performing consistently for us, I don't care what he does. But yeah, it'd be good to have the skipper with us. Good to have a few of the first team boys. Enjoy the victory, like I said, with the supporters, because like I said, I think I finally realised how much it meant, certainly with the celebrations at the end. But there's just the masses of people that come to support us tonight, and yeah, made up, and yeah, that first beer is going to taste sweet.
Okay, so the final question, yn olaf, Sean, mae'r cerch yna dde ac am y perfformiad gan y cefnogwyr ac y tîm?
Tîm 10 allan o 10, dwi yn meddwl bod yn cynhyrwyr yn 20, cant probably. They're different class. They're different class for us. It was good to see some of the Welsh Premier League officials here, and I hope they realise. I've certainly realised what we brought as a team. Like I said, we're going to enjoy this weekend, but we face the table toppers next week, and it's going to be extremely tough. But we're all looking forward to the second phase, and not that I want to leave it on a cliffhanger, but we're very close to bringing a fresh face in as well. I'm not too sure whether the board members know, but I think a few of the board members know, but we've signed 2 lads from the under-19s this week, Kai Morgan and Osian Goulding, to give us a few more bodies, and they deserve it, they fully deserve it. But yeah, there's one signing that's going to be on the brink, and hopefully we can announce that later on in the week. But yeah, I've got to keep the fans guessing, unfortunately, like with that one. So another fresh face in, another initiation song, and yeah, we'll look forward to it. But yeah, like I said, we'll savour this moment because these moments don't come along often. So yeah, absolutely made up.
Gret, diolch ti Sean.
No problem. Nice one, Paul. Diolch.
Iawn, Nathan?
Iawn, Paul.
Da ni sy'n allan i cown hwnna.
Yndan.
A'r Cofi Army cynnes i fewn. Os yna i chdi, a i gyda ti am hynny?
Ydy, i'r ddau, fi'n personol, tyfu fyny, Gwarcha Caernarfon, bod yn bol, boi tol i gol, pan o'n i Welsh Prem, chwarae Bangor Boxing Day a ni wys, unbelievable o teimlad, gael cyrraedd allan heddiw efo gymaint o cofis yna yn Gwarchad. Ac dwi'n meddwl oedd hi'n not the best o games, ond gem Nghwpan oedd hi'n mynd i fod yn scrap yn enwedig efo'r cae. which oedd am yn gret i'r ddau dim, ond yn diwedd games, gols sy'n curo games, a da ni wedi sgorio 2 gol dda, dwi'n meddwl.
Ie, oedden ni'n disgwyl y gem agored a exciting illa. Ond oedd hi'n gem, Bangor yn bad y dîm, ond oedd rhaid i chi guess the king braidd yna yn dweud.
Oedd o rhaid i ni, achos nid i gyfer rumours, oedd yna lot yn deud cyn y gem, hon y gem ola, yr chwaraewyr, efo pethau sy'n digwydd off y cae i'r clwb, rhywbeth yn digwydd dechrau wrth nesaf. Ond, ia, oedd rhaid iddyn ni sticio fi'n gilydd edo, ni gwybod ddim yn tuff, achos da ni wedi bod yn y safle lle oedden nhw, tymor dwytha, tymor cynt a cyn hynna, lle ni di'r underdogs, dim pwysau na ni. A da ni wedi gael y results, felly oedden ni'n gwybod anything can happen yn ffwbol yn edig gem Nghwpan. Ond no way, oedden ni'n mynd i adael yn y ddigwydd yn edig yn erbyn nhw.
Reit, da ni wedi bod yn y semi-final Nghwpan Cymru. Dwi'n mynd arno. Ti'n meddwl beth ni'n neud ti i'r ffeinal yma, hwnna di'r target?
Ia, wel, ti'n sbio ar y tîmau sydd ar ôl, a rhan fwyaf tîmau yn gyngrau yn ni. Pawb da ni wedi chwarae'n barod, felly da ni'n gwybod amdano nhw. Mae Cymru yn godach dal yna, mae y tîm Ligo Dan, Tony Schwartz nhw'n erbyn Barry, dim yn erbyn Barry, yn erbyn Met yn Barry y ffeinal na. Mae nhw'n tîm da hefyd, ond rhywun ar y rofal fydden ni'n reit ffyddiog i fynd i'r semi-final a gobeithio mynd i'r ffeinal, achos dyna di aim fi'n personol a glatogiad, da ni eisiau gael y clwb yma i fewn i Ewrop, trwy either gael lle play-off blwyddyn yma neu curo'r Welsh Cup.
A beth am gol gas? O'ch chdi'n surprise gwrdd fyny yn y penalty eri?
Hoi, oedd yn onest. Cos nes i pico pel i fyny o gwmpas hanner ffordd, ia. A wedyn nes i pasio un, a wedyn nes i pasio i draws. Oedd pel allan waid, a pan oedd y cross i fewn. O'n i'n meddwl, be mae Gas Edwards yn dda fanna, ia, allan yn benign fyny ffrynt. Ond, swn yn fath o hedio hwnna, a oedd y pel off y llawr. Ond y gymaint o sgid ar y cae. Mond un lle oedd i mynd, a pan oedd y pel eithaf ar net, a jyst gweld y Cofi sy'n gyd yn y net al y gol, oedd yn unbelievable o teimlad.
Ac yn ola fan, beth am y Cofi Army na? Mae yna 1,300 yn ôl yna. Oedd yna dipyn yn sôn yna.
Oedd o'n amazing. Just cerdded allan trwy'r twnnel dechrau gêm a just gweld gymaint o cofis yna. Oedd o'n reit rhyfedd, really, achos dyna di yn niferoedd da ni wedi bod yn cael games adra ni. A just i fynd i game away a cael yr unfaint o fans yna, oedd o'n just yn... Oedd o'n teimlad rhyfedd, ond oedd o'n just yn unbelievable, o'n i speechless, oedd yn onest. Oedd yr atmosphere oedd yn dweud trwy'r gêm yn super, fatha ma'n wedi bod trwy tymor. Os gawn ni car ymlaen yr un support gan nhw, which dwi'n gwybod gawn ni. Pam ddim, nawn ni pwysio ymlaen yn y gyngred rhan ac yn y cwpan yma a jyst gobeithio fedrwn ni gael Ewrop blwyddyn yma.
Gret, diolch yn fawr iawn i chdi.
Diolch yn fawr, Paul.
Os yna, sy'n Cofi Army yn y cawn ar i.
Gyda i.